Imagine standing at the base of the Great Pyramid of Giza, staring up at a monument that has dominated the desert skyline for more than 4,500 years. It's a structure built with such precision that even modern engineers still debate how it was accomplished. But in 2023, researchers uncovered something that suggests this ancient wonder still holds secrets hidden deep within its massive core. Using advanced cosmic ray scanning technology, scientists detected a mysterious 30-meter void, a hollow space, completely sealed, completely unexplored, and its purpose is still unknown. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing archaeological mysteries of our time, the secret chamber inside the Great Pyramid and the theories about what it might be hiding. The story begins with the ScanPyramids project, a team of architects, physicists, and archaeologists who have spent years using non-invasive technology to peer inside ancient structures. In 2023, their updated muon detection scans revealed a void stretching roughly the length of a school bus, located above the Grand Gallery. The discovery shocked Egyptologists around the world. For decades, experts believed the interior of the Great Pyramid had already been fully mapped: the King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, the Grand Gallery, and a handful of shafts and passages. But this new void suggested the ancient builders had included something much larger, something they had successfully concealed for more than 4 millennia. What exactly is this hidden space? The first theory is the most dramatic: a secret burial chamber built for Pharaoh Khufu, separate from the main king's chamber that tourists see today. This idea stems from the fact that the king's chamber has always puzzled researchers. It's oddly plain, with no inscriptions or decorations. The granite sarcophagus inside is empty. Some experts believe Khufu's true resting place may still be hidden somewhere inside the pyramid, intentionally sealed off to protect it from tomb robbers. If the newly discovered void is this long-lost burial chamber, it could rewrite everything we know about ancient Egyptian funerary practices. But there's a problem. The void doesn't appear to connect to any known passage. If it's a tomb, it was sealed with extraordinary precision. And that raises an even bigger question: why build a chamber no one could ever reach? Another theory suggests something less dramatic, but equally fascinating. Some engineers believe the void may be a structural feature, an intentional weight relief space designed to protect the Grand Gallery below. The pyramid builders often used voids or small chambers to distribute weight away from critical points. But would they build a 30-meter cavity simply to relieve pressure? That scale seems unusual, even for Egyptian architectural standards. And if it was only structural, why is its shape so deliberate and symmetrical? Some researchers argue that the void's geometry implies a purpose beyond engineering. And that leads to the third theory, something many consider the most intriguing. Some archaeologists think the void might contain a hidden mechanism related to the pyramid's original construction. According to this idea, the void may have been part of a massive counterweight system used to lift heavy stone blocks into place. If true, it could solve one of the greatest engineering mysteries in human history. But there's a catch. No physical remains of such a mechanism have been detected. No wood, no metal, no ropes. After thousands of years, perhaps they've decayed or eroded beyond recognition. Or perhaps the void had an entirely different use that we still haven't guessed. Then there's the theory that sparks the most public curiosity, that the void might contain artifacts or texts that have never been seen. Many of the world's most important ancient writings, including the pyramid texts, were found in burial chambers of later pyramids. But Khufu's pyramid has always been eerily empty. A hidden chamber could change that. Imagine opening a sealed room untouched since the day it was closed, revealing hieroglyphs that could explain why the pyramid was built, how it was constructed, or what spiritual beliefs guided its design. But until someone can physically access the void, all of this remains speculation. And that brings us to the final mystery. Why can't we explore it? It's simple. The Great Pyramid is too fragile. Drilling through its stones could cause structural damage. Cutting tunnels is out of the question. Even inserting small probes requires extreme caution. Egypt's Ministry of Antiquities has approved limited endoscopic exploration, but only through existing joints between stones to avoid harming the pyramid. For now, the void remains sealed, and the world continues to debate its purpose. What makes this discovery so compelling is how it reminds us of the limits of our knowledge. We live in an age of satellite imaging, quantum computing, and AI-driven research. Yet one of the world's oldest monuments still manages to surprise us with secrets we didn't know existed. It's a humbling reminder that history isn't just something written in textbooks. It's hidden beneath stone, buried in sand, and waiting for the right technology or the right curiosity to bring it back into the light. As researchers continue their investigation, one thing is certain: the Great Pyramid isn't finished teaching us. Whether the void is a hidden tomb, a forgotten engineering space, or a sealed room filled with lost ancient knowledge, it has already changed our understanding of Egyptian architecture. And it may soon force us to rethink one of humanity's greatest achievements. If you enjoyed exploring this mystery and want more deep dives into the world's most puzzling discoveries, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your theories in the comments. What do you think is hidden inside the Great Pyramid's secret void? A burial chamber? A construction mechanism? Or something even more astonishing? Let me know. Your curiosity drives this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.